In May half term, we went to Devon and Cornwall. We stopped off for the night in Clevedon, which is just off the M5. We tried to find somewhere for dinner, but everywhere was closed, so we ended up with a pot noodle. The next day we hit the M5 southbound and we hit traffic because there was lots of people going to Run to the Sun Festival in Newquay. I'm not really sure what kind of festival it was, but there was lots of crusty, old school kind of camper vans. Finally, we arrive in Devon and see the nearly there orange elephant. If you know, you know. Finally, we get to Brixham and pass the inner harbour on our left.
Wow, see,
Isn't it beautiful?
it's calm, isn't it?
Yeah. Perfect boating day.
Yes, get out, guys.
This is the point when I get really excited when I see this view here, when we know we're almost at the Breakwater beach. You can stay here in a camper van or a motorhome for just £12 per night. We got a pasty from Fuller's and we ate it on the way into the Breakwater car park. And we watched all the families enjoying this huge slipway. Normally there's a queue to launch your boat, but not here, not at Brixham. Then we all went swimming at the Breakwater beach, which is a shingle beach, and it has a bar, a cafe and some public toilets nearby. The water was really clear, but it did get deep quite quickly, so be careful if you've got little ones. You can rent paddle boards or jet skis nearby, but we had our own paddle board, which Mummy got for her birthday, which I tried out today for the first time. River paddle boarding and sea paddle boarding are very different. At one point Pandy started paddling and she was getting swept out to sea, and she had a little panic and Daddy had to save her.
Are you okay?
Rescue.
Did you get rescued?
I had no idea paddleboarding was so difficult. Everyone makes it look so easy. So I was paddling to the right hand side and I thought I'd just go in a complete circle, but I didn't. I just went straight into the rocks. Oh well, I provided some entertainment for my 7-year-old.
No, you told us some bad advice there.
The family were trying to get me to stand up on this paddleboard, but it was so difficult. You can see in the background the Breakwater Beach Cafe and Bar.
Where is it?
They don't do any cocktails, but they do some vodka, rum, slushies.
Yeah. You might put me, Mummy, I'd go in the middle and one out at the back, darling. Yeah? Handy me further back, darling.
After some coaching from Daddy on where to position ourselves, we set off, the three of us.
Mummy, you come further
You
back.
can see in the background the Berry Head Hotel. By the way, that's not me in my wetsuit.
Your legs over each side. Yeah, you're nearly in the middle there, so that's better. Hunter, can you sit with your legs over each side? Yeah, that's it. Now kids, you stay really still. Look at Daddy, let me get a picture, look. 1, 2, 3. Lovely.
So this is my default paddleboard position, by the way. I've told the kids it's a sit-down paddleboard.
Come, now stop paddling. It's not deep.
It's not deep! Even I can't stand up!
I'm standing up here, so just be careful. Yeah, go back, go a bit deeper so if you fall off you don't hit the bottom.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I just felt something on my foot.
Just seaweed, darling. Or my fin, my flipper.
Oh.
Chickens, right west.
Oh my god!
Yay! Get your balance. Skiing legs.
Like skiing. That's your coolest cruise ever. Coolest? Yeah. We're gonna run you over. If I did that on my purpose, that would backfire. I didn't do that on purpose. I did not do that on purpose.
I was never this brave at his age. Then we stopped for lunch at the Breakwater Beach Cafe.
Hey guys, today we're at Brixham eating a chicken burger, chips, beans, and Maddie's got a cheese sandwich, some cucumber sticks and some carrot sticks. Look at the nice sea.
Everyone that lives in Brixham or is visiting Brixham regularly knows this house. Do you know which one we're talking about? Let us know in the comments.
Penguin. Don't forget to comment down below if you know what this is. So like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.
And here we come. Yes?
Look, the Pandora boat. My name.
Oh yeah.
How did name got onto that boat? I think they copied.
They copy your name.
There's a Pandora shop in our country too. I just got our boat.
Ha, look at that car.
It says the Rodfather.
Look at me, say it.
The Rodfather.
Godfather. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Why does it say the Rodfather?
We must go fishing. Should we have a look? Awesome. We go fishing. There we go. Go on.
After a day's paddleboarding, we head back to our motorhome, which we parked overnight at the Breakwater car park. It was £12 per night, and that's per space. So if you have a double length motorhome, then you need to pay for 2 spaces. Trust me, we learnt the hard way. We check out the slipway for tomorrow launching boaty, and the kids have a little paddle. We also watched these 5 guys trying to pull this boat out. Honestly, it was absolutely hilarious. No one's been on a powerboat course, no one's been on a VHF course. They were totally winging it on a trailer that was so unsuitable. In the evening, we decided to go back to the motorhome and play a board game. We then thought it was a good idea to make homemade chicken tenders with some crushed up tortillas. Yeah, because 3 bowls of egg, flour and breadcrumbs are really a good idea in a motorhome. And then in the egg. After we catered our halloumi, we put them on a chopping board and they went in the fryer. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful marina. Just imagine waking up to that view.
Well, that's what we got.
The kids are actually in there looking out at that view right now. Let's go and see what they're doing.
Your chicken tenders are cooking, my lady.
Oh, they're on their tablets. What a waste. Look. The next day we were rudely awoken by a loud bang when a woman crashed into the motorhome.
No, you can't into it, yeah. That's okay, you cracked it though. I wouldn't shoot.
We found out she was here volunteering for the RNLI, so we let her off.
Is it bad?
Not really, no.
Hi guys.
The kids played on the slipway while we got boaty ready. When we set off, we went to the inner harbour first so I could go to a shoe shop and get some new sliders because mine had been pinched the day before.
You go that way.
Yeah, you can go that way.
We tried to tow our new paddleboard, but it really didn't work.
Probably the same underwoods. This is so nice.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
How you doing, Pandy?
Good. Sam, you're gonna crash.
No, he doesn't fancy waving.
What?
Yeah, I can't tell them on that because it'll just pull that ring.
Just what I said to you.
Yeah.
Didn't I say that?
Yeah.
Honestly, Mummy's the safety officer.
Got the actual towing thing as well.
Is she now?
I am. Are we going to get into that, guys? Might have to duck.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It's a no.
And your head.
Watch out! Duck down! Duck down!
Really
Oh my
good.
gosh!
Oh.
Thank you, too.
There's two people. Two. They don't want it.
Probably haven't.
Are they on it? That's our boat.
That's what you have when you're a guest of the marina.
Are we going to make it?
Yeah.
No.
Which one's your favourite?
I really,
This one, Getaway.
I really like that one.
Do ya?
It's nice to eat it.
No. Oh, you're fine.
Probably I'm going to have to bring that on board.
Yeah, it's a bit waggly.
Yeah, it is a bit.
It's not very sturdy, is it?
Honestly, when you have kids, it will really hurt.
Oh, I didn't.
Watch out! Get down!
I really want to touch it. I could have touched that if I put my hand up.
There's another one.
Oh, gee, everybody needs to do it. Oh, God. Mommy! I touched it. Now we can stop. I touched it.
Go out, check this somewhere.
And we're out the marina.
No, we're not. We're in the marina.
We are.
Clapping nets.
Can you see all the people crabbing?
Yeah.
You want to wave to them?
Hey-oh.
Ooh. Yeah, look, there's a little girl over there waving.
It is, you do see it from a different angle here, don't you?
Are there any crabs around?
No.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hunter? There's the Golden Hind.
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of a big landmark.
So we docked around about here and then me and Penny went to get some shoes.
You struggle in?
Go on then, explain what you've got.
So, me and Mummy have got monkey necklaces at ankle. And Mummy got anchor earrings.
Yeah. They're cute, aren't they? Where did you get them from?
We got them from a jewellery shop.
In Brixham?
Yeah.
It's actually a market seller, wasn't it? The market in Brixham.
Should we put them away now?
Yeah, let's pop them away. Woohoo! When we left Brixham, we hugged the left-hand side of the coast and we ended up in Fishcombe Cove, which is the first cove you come to. There were some beautiful boats that were anchored here and loads of families were jumping off. Wow. Beautiful. Best boats out there. This is Churston Cove, just here.
Oh, wow, look at that.
And this is Fishcombe Cove, on the left. Fishcombe Cove has a cafe that serves beer and cider.
Can I get in? Wait, Daddy, can I have my shoes, please? There's one. There's a... Wait. Yeah.
How is it, Penny? How's the beach? This is the view from the cafe. And here's Boaty. Hi guys! Do you like it here?
I don't. Right, Candy, you're gonna stay.
The kids played for hours on the paddleboard really nicely, while Daddy went spearfishing to find some fish. He hadn't come back for such a long time, I was getting really worried about him, but then I saw him out the corner of my eye. Hazzy caught a fish though. Thank God you come back. I was really worried about you. Oh wow, well done. What have you caught then?
2 crabs and a lobster.
This is a happy Spearo face. Honestly, I just set a timer on my Fitbit to come and rescue you.
How are you going to rescue me?
I was going to get in the boat, put the engine on, come and get you. I was really worried.
Snorkel.
Go on then. How big are they? Are they alive?
Yeah, very much so.
Just after I've eaten my vegan sandwich.
Look at that one. Are you getting a lobster?
I will be in a minute.
Oh, it looks hairy. Hairy. Doesn't it?
It looks hairy like Daddy. Daddy's caught a Daddy.
Where's the measure gone? It's the measure, isn't it? Orange things.
It's on the floor.
About, they should
There.
have, shouldn't they, really?
Does it meet the requirements?
Yes, it does.
Slightly give me back. Oh, damn it.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh, it's tackling it. Oh, jeez, Daddy.
What's happening?
Beating lobster up.
Are they fighting?
Yeah. Can you see the elastic band anywhere?
No.
No, don't do that.
Ow!
Who wins out of crabs and
Crabs.
lobsters? Crabs win?
Yeah.
Definitely.
How are you going to separate them?
I'm looking for elastic band.
Oh, they're just like two squabbling children, aren't they?
Not that bad. Have they squabbled? Have they been good?
No, they've been great.
Are you going to really use your crop?
I'm putting it on my feet now. What do you think I'm going to do myself?
No, you're going to leave it there.
Did I do good?
Yeah, well done.
No.
Nice to see a nice happy smile on your face.
No fish though.
No, no fish. What a shame we don't eat crabs or lobsters.
Might try it. Right, can you see an elastic band anywhere?
There's one in Mummy's hair.
No.
Oh, no, you're not.
We can use panties in the elastic band. I haven't got one. Oh, he's going to get ready to fight.
Are they fighting?
Not yet, no. Oh, he's turning around.
Does it need more water?
No.
Oh, they're starting.
Come on, little crabby. Hey,
Oh,
little
they're
crabby.
starting to fight. Oh, they're fighting!
I'll put some more water in, maybe.
Is that not just what I said?
Just so the lobster can swim.
Not yet.
Come on, Daddy, put some more water in.
Will you keep your eye on that one? So it doesn't disappear on that.
I can't fight without water.
It's angry. Why would you give that to me to look at? Ew! They're staring at me! Saying, why?
Lobster's on top.
Ew! Oh. I'm always wearing sea shoes from now on.
Look at that.
What are they doing?
Do you want me to sit there just in case? No!
Are they fighting?
No!
No.
Attacking each other.
I didn't have my bag to put stuff like this in.
Oh, well, you don't need it.
Yeah, I was struggling.
Oh, there you go. Here's your 15-minute timer. Fishcombe Cove have regular events, DJs and bands on Friday and Saturday nights. They also have a public toilet, which is really, really rough. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a paddleboard, don't forget to roar. So we are now at Elberry Cove. Elberry Cove.
It's full of people.
Yes, it is.
Somehow. It's got a good vibe.
Yeah, it has got a good vibe, hasn't it?
Yeah. Look at that funny boat.
There's lots of paddle boarders. There's loads of people on boats. Everyone's having a good time, aren't they? I think Elberry Cove is the next cove after Fishcombe and Lads Churston over
Oh,
there, Cove. Jumping in. Isn't there hence some lads?
Lads.
Some lads.
Lads.
And
Lads.
yep.
Yeah, let's get Mummy.
Okay,
Let's get Mummy.
let's go, Mummy.
Last time. Mummy, send faster. Oh, not yet. What do you mean not yet? Yeah. Faster.
And here we arrive at Paignton Harbour, where it's free for 2 hours as a visitor. There was loads of spaces at Paignton Harbour for us to moor up, and it was fairly easy as well. When we got to Paignton, there was a geopark for the kids to play on. There was a fairground. There was just so much stuff to do. They loved the sandpit. You didn't actually have to spend any money. You could have taken a picnic and had a whole day out here. What are you guys doing? Do you like this place? It's good, isn't it? You push the sand in and it comes underneath.
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm trying to fill this up. I found this.
I think I filled it up too much.
Right.
Mummy, I found this.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I love how resourceful you are. Isn't it good that they leave us empty plastic bottles to play with?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming out now, Hunter.
Mummy, watch my cup.
So it goes from the top layer to the middle, then to the bottom. And you're filling it with the plastic cups. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's good. There is a Pim's bar, and seeing as it's the start of the summer, we couldn't resist. Do you know what? Nothing in Paignton is expensive. Everything's really, really affordable. Anyway, we had to get back to Brixham Marina because we had a shopping delivery. So we sent Daddy ahead to the marina to come and get us from the Geopark. Come on then, guys. Let's see if we can see Boaty. Can you see Boaty anywhere? Hunter had nothing on under his dry robe, but he had to take it off in order to get onto Boaty because it was dragging in the sea. Right, after this wave, take it off. Right, take it off quick.
I know. Please don't want to.
Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Run. Whoa. Whoa. Going from Paignton back to Brixham, we faced some massive, massive waves. Right. I'll speed it up for you. As we got back to Brixham, Pandy was absolutely knackered. We were still rushing back at this point in time for our delivery. When you've got a really good spot as a motorhome, you don't want to leave it again, so sometimes it means you have to walk to get groceries. We arrived at the slipway just in time. Sometimes when you place orders, they want an actual address, but we have to intercept before they actually get to this address. So we unload our intercepted shopping, put the kids to bed, they're fast asleep by 8 p.m, and finally Daddy can cook his crab. Apart from sunburnt, how you feeling?
Feeling like I'm a good fisherman.
I feel absolutely knackered.
Yeah, tired.
Can't believe the kids are asleep at like 8 o'clock. Poor animals that have died for your dinner when you could have eaten plants.
One vegetarian, like very recently.
Poor thing. Sorry, lobby lobster. Sorry, crabby crab. While he was cooking his bass and his lobster, there must have been about 20 people that stopped to ask him where he'd caught it and how he was going to cook it. And he got the barbecue going with the wobble bubble ban. Okay. Vegans look away now. He cooked the bass with some garlic butter. I thought it would smell really fishy on the barbecue, but apparently fresh fish doesn't smell. At this point, everyone came over to see what we were doing. I didn't really fancy eating anything with a head, so I went inside to make my salad with this view. We had the best day ever.